I'm Erica Mather, and today I'm here to teach you Ujjayi breathing. Ujjayi breathing is the key and the spirit to yoga, and specifically to forest yoga practice that I teach. Ujjayi translates to breath of victory, and I love this so much because in classic yoga literature, we are all on a dharma path, or a dharma joust. And this means that necessarily in the path of our life, we will encounter struggle, hardship, challenges. And when you make Ujjayi breathing your ally, it helps you to be victorious. Ujjayi breathing is a long, rich breath. It's pretty deep too, and it looks and sounds like this. Watch. Now, as you warm up and as you get more skilled, the breath will get longer. It may even get as long as 10 seconds on the inhale, 10 seconds on the exhale, or even more. The first step to doing your Ujjayi breath is to inhale and exhale through the mouth, making a whisper sound at the back of the throat. Looks like this. Let's do that together. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Second breath. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. The second stage, to help you figure out how to continue to make that sound at the back of the throat with the mouth closed, is to do half of the breath through the mouth and then half of it with the mouth closed through the nose. Looks and sounds like this. Just watch first. Let's do it together. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. The final step is to inhale and exhale through the nose, making that whisper sound at the back of the throat. Let's do 3 breaths together. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your ribs moving. Listen to the sound of your breath. These 2 things will help keep you anchored in your body and increasing your skill around feeling. Thus concludes the Ujjayi tutorial. Thank you so much for watching today. You can do this video repeatedly and continue to grow your skill. Apply Ujjayi breath in my videos. Use it in every yoga pose and use it in every class. I'm always working on getting the Ujjayi to be bigger and longer because I want to feel more in my body, and I want that for you too. Thanks again for watching. I'm Erica Mather. Bye for now.